Welcome to John Chen Fish TV, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to catch snapper on live baits. Let's go! How awesome is this? Alright, in terms of the live bait jigs, I use the Sabaki, and it's a 30 pounds and size 8 hooks. These are really good, does the job every time. So once you locate the bait on the sounder, you simply drop the jig all the way to the bottom, and then you're going to feel some tapping on the rod tip. That's when you know you've got some. So simply just reel it in slowly. No strong jerking needed or anything like that. Just take it easy and reel it up. Okay, so just check out the lives in here. Okay, I'm ready to deploy a live bait. This is on the livey. Let's get this guy out of the way. That guy's doing my drift line. Oh, biggest snapper. That's what I call nice snap.